Hi guys, I am back with another video. Today is actually a little different. I am going to a wedding today and I thought it would be kind of fun if you guys got ready with me. So I'm going to put on some makeup. I have nothing on right now, and do my hair. I kind of have some leftover curl, so I'm just gonna refresh it. And then I have a few dress options. Maybe I'll show you all of my options, and then I'll show you the finished look. I thought it'd be kind of fun and cool to get ready with you guys today. So if you want to see that, just keep watching.
Okay, so I decided I thought it would be better to just speed through me putting on makeup because I'm definitely not a beauty guru. I usually watch beauty gurus for ideas on makeup looks. This particular look I actually was kind of inspired by a different tutorial, so I will link the person's tutorial down below. I can't remember it offhand. But yeah, so I'm just gonna let this kind of speed through, and then you can watch me do my hair, and then we have the dresses. Okay, so I don't really do anything special for curling my hair. I basically just do the normal way, wrapping it around the wand for a clipless curler. I can link a tutorial below if you are interested though. Okay, so I got this dress in a size 18 and it's from Macy's. I'll link it down below. Overall, I thought it fit really well. I loved where it hit at my knees, but I ended up going with the other dress for the wedding because of the weather. This dress is a size 18 also from City Chic. I adore this dress. It fits so well. It was very flowy and super fun to dance in.
Okay, I am all ready. That was actually kind of a lot of fun to do. It definitely took me longer to get ready when I was recording it though, having to change the setup and everything. But if you like this, please let me know by giving it a big thumbs up and telling me in the comments so that I can do this again next time we go like on a date night or anything like that, because it's kind of cool. It changes it up in between the hauls. If you are new here, I would so appreciate it if you would subscribe, and I think that's it. We forgot lips, so I'll have to do that. And this is the dress I ended up choosing. So yeah, I will see you next week with a new video. Remember, I post videos every single Thursday, and I hope you guys all have a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend. Bye everyone.